As an instructor, you need to help your student go from learning to passing the state exam to being an effective CNA in the workplace. But unless you know what's happening in here, you won't know what to focus on in here, which means your student will never get here. 4YourCNA understands prometric testing and has created all the resources your classroom needs to help your students pass the test the first time. From skills videos and step-by-step instructions according to testing standards, to learning resources like a card game and flashcards, to animated lessons on important principles, to a completely interactive online program that helps your students put what they're learning into practice. And our student practice kits take the guesswork out of supplies. We will help you balance the line between state curriculum guidelines and testing requirements to make sure your students are ready for the test and the workplace.